Welcome to MYZG. This is an automatic model of MYZG loader. This is the main power switch. The handbrake. The joystick with high gear, neutral gear, and low gear. This is the joystick for forward and backward. This is the running gear for high and low speed. This is the joystick to control the open and close of the bucket. If I pull the joystick forward, it's going to bring the foam down, while pulling it back, it's gonna rise the foam up. If I go right hand to the left, we'll close the bucket. Go left hand to the right, it's gonna open the bucket. This is the brake pedal. This is accelerator pedal.